Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to edit, manage and save your passwords in Chrome app on your Android phone. So launch the Chrome app, and this is the dummy login form which we are going to use later. So in order to save a password, what you can do is you can tap on these three dot options and go to settings, and within the settings you have the second option called as password manager, and within the password manager you have this option to choose the existing password, or tap on this add command and enter the site name, username and fill out other details to save. So let me just quickly fill this information. So I have filled this dummy details here with the username as ABC and password as 123, and I can just tap on this save command here and it will save the password. Now if I go back to the dummy page here and tap on this login, and here if I choose username, I will get this three icons here in my keyboard. I can tap on this key icon and select password, and here I have the list of all the saved passwords. So I can search for W3 schools, and here I can see the username which is get autofilled, and then I can also choose the password, and then for W3 school I will just choose this password and then hit on login. So if a particular site is new and it is not saved, the Google will also recommend whether you want to save the password for it. So you can tap on this save command here at the top and then it will be saved. Now if I go back to the settings, and within the settings go to password manager, so W3 schools, which was already saved, has the details of my username and password saved. Because it already had the information, it just overwritten the save information, and which we can use again. Now if I want to edit the saved information, what I can do is I can just select that particular website or address, and then I have this edit command here where I can choose to edit the username and the password, and also add or delete the notes. And similarly there is also option to delete, where it will delete the account details like username and password for that particular site. Now let me just delete this dummy details from here, and the information has been deleted. So in this way you can add, edit and manage the password and Chrome app on your Android phone. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.